The first step is to obtain a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. You are entitled to 1 free copy per year from each bureau, which you can grab at annualcreditreport.com. You want all of your current personal info to be accurate, like your name, your date of birth, your social, your birthday, and address. You want just your current address to be reporting. So now we want to take a look at our credit report and make sure that we have enough positive credit open, meaning you have at least 2 revolving accounts and 1 installment loan. Next step would be now going through your credit report to see what negative items are reporting. From there, we want to decide what items you want to remove and what items you want to potentially settle with. The accounts I do recommend settling with, if you can, are original creditor credit cards. These balances are being put towards your open bills and maxing out your utilization, so they do help to settle with if possible. When you are looking to update or remove any item reporting on your credit report, you should start with sending letters to each of the bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You are using one letter, pure bureau, listing out each item and what action you want taken.